Hey everyone! So you purchased a cutting board or a charcuterie board, and I'm sure you enjoyed it, but you're probably wondering, how can I maintain it? Well, that's what this video is about. So why should you maintain your boards? Well, you obviously want it to last longer so that you can enjoy it more. And I'm sure you also want to get your money's worth. So now we're going to go over a few things of what not to do with your boards. First, do not put it into a dishwasher. High heat will extract the mineral oil from the board, making it vulnerable to cracks or warping. Do not store outside for long periods of time. Direct exposure to sun and rain will dry out your board. Do not put your board into the oven. The extreme heat will cause your board to crack. And do not leave your board submerged in water. You will allow water to work its way into the wood fibers, which will swell up, causing the board to crack or warp. So this is not how you would like your board to end up. So please be sure to follow our what nots so that you can continue to have a nice and appealing board. So let's get into how to maintain your board. When washing your board, use lukewarm water and mild soap. Be sure to scrub lightly. When drying the board, use a paper towel to remove any excessive water and let it fully air dry. Do not store it away while it's still wet. Once your board is fully air dried, you're going to want to apply Butcher Block conditioner. What is Butcher Block conditioner? Our Butcher Block conditioner is a mixture of 100% beeswax and mineral oil, both food safe. Why do you need Butcher Block conditioner? Well, it is used to help repel water and stains caused by meats, vegetables, and fruits that you typically use on your board. Apply a thin layer. Make sure to get every part of the wood. You don't want to miss a spot. Now let it air dry for a couple of hours. This will allow the wood to absorb the mineral oil and the beeswax to stay on top of the wood as a film. Now that you let it sit for a couple of hours, you're going to want to buff any excessive oil or wax. Make sure to buff every part of the wood and use as many paper towels as needed. So there you have it. I encourage you to maintain your board so you can enjoy it with family and friends for many years. I hope this video was helpful. Leave us a comment if you have any questions. And if you are interested in purchasing our maintenance kit, please visit our website at sdesigngallery.com. And always remember, wood is nature and nature is beautiful.